Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, east central Washington County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Todd Mission, Oregon, 12 miles southeast of Navasota, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Conroe, Tomball, Navasota, Hempstead, Prairie View, Pinehurst, The Woodlands, Hockley, Waller, Panorama Village, Magnolia, Pine Island, Montgomery, Stagecoach, Todd Mission, Lake Conroe Dam, Gubbin, Dacus, Plantersville, and Richards. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.